Good morning, beautiful people! We are off on a waterfall adventure today. We are in search of two waterfalls here on the island of Cebu, very close to Moalboal. Oh, this is the road we are taking to the waterfall. We've just stopped at the side of the road. A scooter, a lovely pink scooter. Check out these views, guys. Yeah. Thank you.
Thanks. See you later.
Snacks! Yeah. Okay, we just made it to the parking spot of the first waterfall. Sorry, I'm always talking to myself. And this one is called Cambais, I think. C-A-M-B-U-I-S, Cambais Waterfall. So we're just hiking up now to check it out. You're ready now.
Go left to the left.
Wow, how gorgeous is this? So where the guys are here, there's this rope that you can climb up, and apparently there's a place that you can jump. Then over here, there's a place that you can sort of slide down. Oh my god, that's really cool! Woo! And what is this again?
Sweet corn.
Oh, sweet corn.
Yeah.
3 towns from here.
Ah, okay. Sweet corn. And we have also
From our place, Cebu, Argo, and here.
Ah. Are you just on holiday? Are you on holiday here?
just taste this.
Oh wow. So who made this? Who made this one?
Here, local.
You made it?
Yeah.
Yes, sticky rice.
Thank you so much.
So we made new friends at the waterfall. This is so good.
You picture that and look at that. All of us.
What do you guys think? Is it good? Oh, amazing. Okay, so we had loads of fun at the bottom of the waterfall, jumping in, sliding down the slide. We've been told there's an upper level and it's even more beautiful. So now we're kind of just hiking up there, hoping to check that out. It's so beautiful here, there's no one around. It's sort of like farmland, nature. You can hear the birds chirping. Holy shit! This is amazing! There's no one here. Woo! I think you can jump from here and maybe up there.
This is like a position where you can jump. Yeah. 15 meters?
Yeah, he said 15. That's like, what, 60 feet? Jesus. I was going to do it, and now that I'm thinking about doing it, I'm also scared again. I hate the way it's so slippy. Why am I so scared?